Hi students, let us continue with chapter 5 factorization. So, in our previous class, we have learned about factorizing by taking out the common factors and factorizing by grouping method, right? So, today we'll be dealing with trinomial of the form ax square plus or minus bx plus or minus c. We are splitting the middle term and solving it. Splitting middle term and solving it. So we have done similar type of questions in our previous class. That is, you have learned it in 8th standard. So let's directly move to the exercise now. Exercise 5b. First question. Factorize a is a square 10a plus 24. That's the first question. So how do we solve it? So we have to see what is the middle term. Middle term we have 10 here, right? Only the coefficient we are taking, that is 10. Only the constant will be calculating, okay? 10. And what is c here? That is 24. So your sum should be equal to 10 and your product should be equal to 24. You need such two numbers such that product is equal to the middle term. That is sum and product is equal to the 24. So what are the numbers? So I can take the numbers as 6 and 4. Is it? 6 plus 4 is 10 and 6 into 4 is 12. Is there anything else? If it was minus, we could use minus 12 and plus 2. But it's both positive, so I'll be using 6 and 4. So how do I split it now? I can write this as a square plus 6a plus 4a plus 24. So a is common if I group them. Now I have to group. Okay. So a is common here. What is left out? A plus 6 plus what is common here? 4a and 24. I can take out 4, right? So again a plus 6. So from this 2 I can take out a plus 6. A plus 6 is common. A plus 6 into a plus 4. So this will be our factorized form. Hope it's clear. Okay. Now coming to the second question. So here we have taken only 24 because the a here this value was 1. So usually we take whatever value we get that into this should give us the product. Okay. So when we do a problem like that, it will be more clear to you. Now coming to the second question. A square minus 3a minus 40. So we have, if minus is there, you need to consider minus also. Here again it's 1. So your product should be equal to minus 40 and your sum should be equal to minus 3. Tell me two numbers such that product is equal to minus 40 and sum is equal to minus 3. So 4 into 10, no, you cannot do it. 8 5s are, 8 5s are 40. Right? So I can take it as minus 8 and plus 5, isn't it? Minus 8 plus 5 will give me minus 3. Minus 8 into plus 5 will give me minus 40. So how do I get it? A square minus 8a plus 5a minus 40. So a is common here. A minus 8 plus 5 is common here. Again a minus 8. Again in this 2 I get a minus 8 as common. A minus 8 into a plus 5. Okay. Now coming to the third question. 1 minus 2a minus 3a square. 1 minus 2a minus 3a square. So how do I do it again? Here I told you the product will be taken for a and c. Okay, if a and c means this form. This a and this c will be taken. That is the product. So a and c if I have, so product should be equal to 1 into minus 3, that is minus 3, and sum should be equal to what? Minus 2. What are the two numbers such that product is equal to minus 3 and sum is equal to minus 2? Can I take it as minus 3 into plus 1 and minus 3 plus 1? Right? So I get it as 1 minus 3a plus a minus 3a square. So what do I get? I take 1 as common here. 1 minus 3a I get, right? Plus again I can take a as common. What do I get? 1 minus 3a. So I do get it. My 1 minus 3a into 1 plus a. Okay. Coming to the fourth question. X square minus 3ax minus 88a square. Okay, so here you can find two variables, right? You can find two variables. So let us consider only one variable. We consider x square as the variable when we take a as common. So x square minus 3ax minus 88a square we have, right? So we can take it as product is equal to minus 88a square. I'll take x I am considering as the linear. Then sum is equal to minus 3a. Okay, so how do we solve it? We need the product to be minus 88 and sum as minus 3. So which are the two numbers such that when you multiply you get minus 88 and when you take the sum of them you get minus 3a. So just have a look. 88 can be written as 44 into 2, that doesn't work. 22 into 8, again it doesn't work. What about 11 into 16 we have, right? So we have minus 88 and minus 3. So can I take it as minus 11 into plus 8, right? So I get it as x square minus 11ax plus 8ax minus 88a square, right? So x is common. X minus 11a plus 8a is common. X minus 11a. X minus 11a is common into x plus 8a. Okay, so we get it like that. So fifth one, we have 6a square minus a minus 15. So here sum is equal to minus 1. What is the product? Product is equal to 6 into minus 15, that is equal to 15 6 are minus 90 we know. So what are the numbers such that sum is minus 1 and product is minus 90? So can I take it as minus 10 plus 9? So what do I get? 6a square minus 10a plus 9a minus 15. So here what is common here? I can take it as 2a, right? So 3a minus 5a. Similarly here I can take 3. So what do I get? 3a minus 5. Here a will not get because we are taking a as common, right? So what is common here? We get 3a minus 5 into 2a plus 3. Okay. So similar way you will be able to solve these questions. So complete till question number 12 in your classwork.